Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 in a 3-part video series. Part 1 being how to remove your nail enhancements without tools, and part 3 being how to apply your 𝗣𝗶𝗍 nails press-ons. The video links are in the description box below and up here in the cards. Today is part 2, how to size your 𝗣𝗶𝗍 nails press-ons with a sizing kit and without. For our sizing demonstration today, I will be using Aprés medium square natural tips and the heart cutout square medium tips from 𝗘𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗀. The sizes that we have go from 9 to 0, 9 being the smallest size and 0 being the largest. So we're going to start with the pinky here, the smallest size being 9. So I'm going to try it out on her pinky and it fits nicely. And we know this because the side walls are fully covered from side to side, left to right. There's no overlapping and there's no gaps. So it's safe to say that this pinky is a size 9. You know that a nail is too big for your nail when it overflows to the side walls. You see, this is too big because it goes over to the side of your nail. You don't want that. So to see what number and what size your tip is, you go and flip the nail over and you'll see the number shown on the tip of the nail when it's pointed in this direction. And here we'll see that it's the number 9. If you have ordered a 𝗣𝗶𝗍 nails press-on starter kit, you will notice that I wrote with Sharpie marker onto the nail what size it is so that you don't have to look for the little clear number on the bottom. This is for your convenience so that it's easier for you to figure out what size you are. So we're just going to do the same thing for all 10 fingers and we're going to write down all of the sizes for both hands. Now that we've reached a thumb, we notice that the tip doesn't fit right on her thumb because the tip is curved right here and her thumb is straight at the cuticle. Here's how we can resolve the issue so that we don't have an unflattering gap. Gently use a wooden stick to push up the cuticle, or you can use the nail itself to gently create some space. This shouldn't cause any discomfort. Lightly push up against your skin and press down at a slight angle, and the nail should sit snugly on your nail plate. You don't want to push the fake nail too deep because that can lead to discomfort and inflammation. So just in case you're wondering, her sizes were 9, 6, 6, 6, and 2. Now we'll move on to sizing if you don't have a starter kit. You will need some transparent Scotch tape, a ruler that's measuring in centimeters. You have to use centimeters with the little marks on top. And you will also be needing a marker. In this case, I'm using a Sharpie marker because it's easier to mark on the tape. And if you haven't already, please check out my new video on the rose quartz nail art that I have in this demonstration video on my left hand, and also my Bernie nail art video that I have on my right hand today. Both of these video links will be in the description box below, so remember to check them out. Now let's get back to our sizing demo. Now taking about 1.5 inches of transparent tape, I'm going to be putting this on the nail that I want to measure. I want to make sure that I'm covering the widest part of the nail plate. This is going to be from sidewall to sidewall. I'm going to show you here with my wooden stick. It's not going to be up here near the cuticle nor down here where your free edge is. Remember to measure from here, the widest part, from left to right. So now we're going to grab the piece of tape and stick it onto your nail. Make sure that when you press the tape down against your nail plate that there aren't any air bubbles. You want to make sure that the tape is snug against your natural curve of the nail, and you can mark the sides with your nail before you take your marker and go ahead and mark the side walls where the widest part of your nail ends. So here on the right hand side, we'll make a mark. And then we'll go to the left hand side and we'll make a mark. After we've made the mark on the tape, you can go ahead and remove the tape from your finger, and now we're going to grab that centimeter ruler and we're going to measure how wide this measurement for your nail was. I remember when I made the mark on the left-hand side, the marker slipped, so I'm going to count from the outer edge of the marker and then take my wooden stick and count the ticks on the ruler. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 at the 1, 1, 2. So that's 12 millimeters. Each little line on the centimeter ruler represents 1 millimeter, which is why this equals 12 millimeters. So that 12 millimeters was for the ring finger, and I also measured the pinky finger, which was 9 millimeters. I'm going to write down all the sizes for my left hand and my right hand, and I'm going to give this information to my nail tech, which is me. I then take this very important information and create a custom press-on nail set for my client, which is you. That concludes part 2 in our 3-part video series. If you'd like to watch part 1, how to remove your nail enhancements without professional tools, click the link on the left-hand side here. If you'd like to watch part 3, how to apply your BOB nails press-ons, click the link on your right-hand side. Remember to subscribe if you'd like to watch more of our videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.